Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you'll learn how you can easily add store search for your site in Duda. So let's go. First, what you want to do is when you're gonna click here on widgets, you want to write store and you're gonna see here the store search. Click on it and you can just easily insert it and you got this like placeholder text, that's all, and then design. This is really well combined with everything. And let's say that I want to don't have border, but I want to have a little bit bigger and I want to have rounded corners because rounded corners are good, but to have rounded corners I need to have border. Yeah, perfect. Also you can like move it a little bit if you want. Yeah, perfect. So now when I would just click preview, yeah, and you see it here. Perfect. So this is how we can add store search for Duda. Thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you are going to have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.